Turn $100 into $10,000, 5 smart investing strategies. Got $100? Think it's not enough to do anything? Most people blow that much in a weekend, going out to eat, grabbing some drinks, buying useless stuff they don't need. But the smart ones, they use that $100 as a stepping stone, the start of building real, actual wealth. And in this video, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. You'll discover 5 proven ways to grow that $100 into $10,000. No BS, no gimmicks, just smart strategic investing. Okay, before we dive into the exciting stuff, we need to build a solid foundation. Think of it like this: you wouldn't build a house on sand, would you? No, you need solid ground. That's what a high-yield savings account or money market fund is for your money. Now, platforms like Ally, SoFi, or Wealthfront are going to be your best friends here. Why? Because right now they're offering interest rates of 4% to 5% per year. And the best part, it's literally zero risk. You're not going to get rich quick with this, but it's your safety net, the base camp for your bigger plays. Alright, now let's talk about building long-term sustainable wealth, the kind that grows while you sleep. If that's your goal, then index fund investing is your secret weapon. We're talking about putting your money into the S&P 500, which is like investing in the 500 biggest companies in America. Historically, this bad boy returns about 8% to 10% every single year. Now, here's where the magic of compound interest comes in. Let's say you invest just $100 every month into an S&P 500 index fund. Over a few years, that could easily grow to over $10,000, all without you having to pick stocks or time the market. It's literally set it and forget it. Chapter 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Be the bank. Ever want to be on the other side of the lending game? Well, with peer-to-peer lending you can. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper let you act like a bank, loaning out your money to other people and earning interest on it. Now this does come with a bit more risk, but the potential returns are higher, usually between 6 to 12% per year. The key here is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your money across multiple loans to minimize your risk. It's like being your own little bank, but way more fun. Chapter 4. Buy and flip digital assets. Here's the thing. You don't need a ton of capital to get into flipping. Forget about real estate for a second. The digital world is full of assets you can buy low and sell high. Think about it. A cool.com domain name can be bought for like $100 and then flipped for 5 or even 10 times that amount later on. Or what about creating a digital product? Seriously, you can use that $100 to buy a Canva Pro license, design some awesome digital planners, or even create a short online course. Then, put it up on Gumroad or Etsy and start selling. Chapter 5. Start a micro online business. Look, the internet has made it easier than ever to start a business with little to no money down. That $100, it's your seed money. We're not talking about building the next Amazon here, but a micro business. Maybe you offer freelance writing services on Fiverr, or you create and sell printables on Etsy. Or maybe you're good at something else, social media management, virtual assistant work, whatever. The point is, you can turn that $100 into a revenue-generating machine. A lot of millionaires started with just one small income stream that they scaled over time. Outrow your journey to $10,000 starts now. Look, I'm not gonna lie, $100 won't change your life overnight, but how you use it might. It's about taking that first step, building the right habits, and understanding that wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. If you're ready to stop spending your money on things you don't need and start building something real, something lasting, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. This is Freedom Finance, where we break down the best ways to build wealth and achieve true financial freedom.